G'day guys, it's Corbin here from Superior Exterior Cleaning. So over the last day or two we've been here in Strathalbyn, we've been sealing their pavers. They had these new pavers laid about a year ago, and in a few of the high traffic areas such as outside one of their local pubs and outside one of the cafes, they noticed that the pavers were just getting a little bit extra dirtier, obviously due to patrons dropping food and things like that from time to time. So they wanted to protect their investment, they wanted to get the pavers cleaned and then sealed with a high quality sealer. So I'm just going to go show you what we've achieved and the differences between the unsealed pavers and the sealed pavers. So as you can see, the sealer's doing a great job of repelling that water. So it doesn't just repel water, it also repels stains from various kinds of liquids and even just general dirt and grime from actually entering into the surface of the paver. An unsealed surface, it's going to let anything that gets dropped on it, it's going to suck it right in, especially a porous paver like that, which is a concrete paver. It's going to soak everything right in, and after over a period of time, it's those pavers are going to look pretty average. Now that that surface has been cleaned and it's been sealed with a high quality sealer, so the sealer we used was Protect Guard HD. It's a really premium sealer. It's used all around the world in some pretty famous locations such as Tiananmen Square in China, and then also in a couple of notable locations in France as well. And so the beauty of it is that it actually soaks into the pores, fills them up, and so what that does is that stops any dirt or grime or liquids from penetrating into the substrate and causing staining. Another thing that it does is because it's actually fully penetrating, it doesn't affect the slip rating of the surface, and so when it gets wet it's not going to become slippery for the pedestrians or anything like that. So it's a really good sealer for public spaces, maintains safety, and also maintains the natural look of the stone as well, or the surface. It doesn't enhance it in any way. You don't actually really know it's there until you spill something on it, and then you'll see that it actually beads on the surface as opposed to soaking in. So if you're a commercial property manager, a commercial building owner, or just anyone that's involved in the maintenance of a commercial building and also any sort of public space, then getting your concrete or pavers or whatever cleaned and then sealed is a really good idea. So obviously it stops all that grime and potential staining from entering the paver, and then when you do your regular maintenance cleans, any grime or dirt or anything is going to wash off that much easier because it actually hasn't soaked into the paver and stained it, it's only sitting on the top. So those are the main benefits. So yeah, protect your investment, keep it looking cleaner for longer, and it makes your maintenance cleaning a breeze. So give us a call at Superior Exterior 0475 399 746. Thank you.